Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to model this chuck jaw in a FreeCAD with the help of a part design workbench. Before starting this tutorial you can visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on a FreeCAD, and you can also download my tutorial source file from here. If you click on tutorial source file page, then you will get the link of all tutorial file which you can download. Now come back to our tutorial. As I have made many tutorials on part modeling, so I am not going to make it from the sketch because the tutorial will be very lengthy. So I will explain you the features how I made it. So first I will switch to my first feature, which is a pad, and on the base plane, if I on my origin plane, so base plane is XY. On XY I have created this base profile like this, and then I have created a pad of 38 mm, which you can see here. Now the second feature is a pocket. So for this I have selected the base face and created a circle of diameter 60, because here is R30, and I have made a cut of 16 mm, which you can see here. And the next feature is a hole, which you can see here. So for this I have selected the bottom face and created the circle of diameter 17, and with the hole feature here I have created a hole. Now we can see that these two holes are the similar with a distance of 15.7 mm. So for this I have patterned this hole with respect to length of 57 mm, and here I have selected the edge tree. So pattern option you can find here. Now we will move to the next feature. Next feature is a cut. You can find the cut dimension here. So for this I have selected the top face and created a sketch, and then I made a cut of 6 mm. Now move to the next feature. Next feature is a cut. So here I have created a sketch on the top face, and then I have made a cut of 3 mm, which dimension you can see here, and with the help of a mirror option I have mirrored the cut on the other side, which you can see here. Next feature is a hole. So here is the hole dimensions. So I created a profile for hole, and with the help of hole features I have created a hole of diameter 12.5. Now next feature is a mirror feature, because this hole is symmetric with respect to our mid plane. So with the help of a mirror option, I have mirrored it. And then next is a cut. So here is a cut like a arc, and this arc is a tangent. So I have created a profile, and then I have created a cut of a 16.9 mm, and then I have a mirror that cut on the other side. So this is how I made this model, and I will provide this 2D drawing and this 3D model source file of this tutorial in a video description, and you can download it from my tutorial source file page. All you have to do is press the Ctrl F and type the tutorial title. You will be able to download it. So first try to make this 3D model with respect to this 2D drawing, and in the case of any difficulty you can refer the source file of this tutorial. I hope you have liked this tutorial, and if you like this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share this video. I will come with more useful tutorial like this on FreeCAD. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.